Good morning, students. Welcome to the Science 1 class. In this session, we are going to see about smaller units, mass, time, temperature, and unit prefixes. We see one by one. Smaller units. We can measure small distance using a meter scale or meter tape. Whereas to measure every small distance between two atoms in a molecule, size of the molecules and wavelength, etc. We use submultiple of 10. These quantities are measured in angstrom unit. Smaller units are Fermi, angstrom, nanometer, micron, millimeter, and centimeter. Next, we move on to mass. We commonly use the term weight, which is actually the mass. Many things are measured in terms of mass in the commercial world. Mass is the quantity of matter contained in a body. The SI unit of mass is kilogram. In any case, the units are based on the times items purchased. For example, we buy gold gram or milligram, medicines in milligram, provisions in gram and kilogram, and express cargo in tons. The units gram and milligram are the submultiples of gram. Similarly, ton, quintal, megaton, these are the multiple of kilogram. Next, atomic mass unit. Atomic mass unit is used to find out the mass of proton, electron and neutron. 1 AMU equal to 1 by 12th of the mass of the carbon 12 atom. Next, look on time. Time is a measure of duration of events and intervals between them. The SI unit of time is second. 1 second is the time required for the light to travel 29 crore 97 lakhs 92,458 meter through vacuum. Larger units for measuring times are day, month, year, score, century, millennium. 1 millennium is equal to 3.16 into 10 power 9 seconds. Next, temperature. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness of a body. SI units of temperature is Kelvin. 1 Kelvin is the triple point of 1 by 273.16 the thermodynamic temperature of the triple point of water. Let's see what is the triple point. Consider temperature with pressure graph for water. The water exhibits in three states, that is solid, liquid and gaseous. Three curves for it, but note down one point where all three curves meet. That means at this point of pressure and temperature, we will get all these phases, and this point is called triple point. In this picture, 0 Kelvin is absolute 0. Water freezes at 273 Kelvin. Water boils at 373 Kelvin. Next, unit prefixes. Unit prefixes are the symbols placed before the symbol of a unit to specify the order of magnitude of the quantity. They are very useful to express very large and very small quantities. Starting with femto, which makes unit as 10 power minus 15, smaller than the pico, which is 10 power minus 12. Nano, which is billion times smaller than the base unit. Micro, which is million times smaller. Milli is 1,000 times smaller. Centi is 100 times smaller and deci 10. Then things start getting bigger. Deca makes things 10 times bigger. Hecto means 100 times. Kilo 1,000 times. Mega makes million times bigger. Giga is 10 power 9. Tera is 10 power 12. In SI unit, 10 power 15 is known as beta. Next, we move on to rules and conversion for you writing SI units and the symbols. While writing SI units, we have to follow some rules and convention. First point, the unit name after scientists are not written with a capital initial letter. Example, Newton, Henry, Ampere and Watt. The first letter starts with small letter. The symbols of the units named after scientists should be written by the initial capital letter. Example, capital N for Newton, capital H for Henry, capital A for Ampere, capital W for Watt. Small letters are used as symbols for units not derived from a proper noun. For example, small m for meter, kg for kilogram. No full stops or other punctuation marks should be used within or at the end of symbols. Example, 50 meter and not as 50 meter full stop. The symbols of the units are not expressed in plural form. Example, 10 kg, not as 10 kgs. When temperature is expressed in Kelvin, the degree sign is omitted. Example, 283 Kelvin, not as 283 degree Kelvin. If we want to express in Celsius scale, degree sign should be included. For example, 100 degree Celsius, not as 100 degree centigrade. And 108 degree Fahrenheit, not as 108 F. Use of solidus means slash is recommended for indicating a division of one unit symbol by another unit symbol. Not more than one solidus is used. Example, meter second minus 1 or meter slash second. Joule slash K slash mole should be written as J K per minus 1 mole per minus 1. The number and units should be separated by a space. 50 kilogram meter second per minus 1, not just kilogram meter second per minus 1. Accepted symbols alone should be used. Ampere should not be written as amp and second should not be written as second, SEC. The numerical values of physical quantities should be written in scientific form. The density of mercury should be written as 1.36 into 10 power 4 kilogram meter minus 3. Notice lakh 36,000 kilogram meter per minus 3. Okay students, that's all for today class. Thank you. Have a good day.